Today, we're going to be going through how to create departments and jobs. To begin creating a department, we'll want to navigate to the left pane and select the Company Settings option. Within Company Settings, there is a Show Departments button that we're going to click that will take us to the departments that are available. By default, you should see a department labeled Main Department if you've never set up any other departments. This can be renamed, or you can leave it as is. It is just a default department for the system to categorize time, and it can be adjusted. The first thing that we're going to do to create a department is go up here to the Create Department option. Here we'll give our department a title and save. Once your department is created, we can begin making jobs for that specific department. So we'll go under the Show Jobs button for the department that you would like to add a job for. If you're adding a job for the department that was labeled Main Department beforehand, you will also see a Main Work job that's listed. This is similar to the Main Department listing, as it is a system-generated job for the main department. This job can be edited, but Main Work title cannot be adjusted. Here we'll create a job under this department by going to the Create Job option in the top right corner. Please also keep in mind that only 30 jobs can be created per account. The job ID will always generate the next available job number within the account. Here we'll create a title and a short name. The pay rate can be added as well, but keep in mind that if you have pay rates on for the employees, this will supersede that pay rate that's within. So if the employee clocks into this job or is assigned to this job for any sort of work type, the pay rate set here will supersede the pay rate that's within their employee profile. If you do not care about this, you can also just leave it blank and we can save. Please keep in mind that an employee is only going to be able to see jobs within their specific department. So for example, in this case, if an employee is assigned to the warehouse department, they will not be able to view or clock into the jobs for the office department, and vice versa. You can assign employees to specific departments within the employee section under their employee profile, and you can even set up a default work type for them that will categorize their time as a specific job when they clock in and out without them having to select a specific job upon clock in. You can do that by navigating to the Manage section under Employees, select the employee that you'd like to adjust, apply the appropriate department, and save. And then under Default Work, we should see the jobs that are available for that department and save. For John Doe's user, because we assigned accounts payable as the default work for this employee, anytime he clocks in and out, his time will be assigned to the accounts payable job type. If you have questions, please feel free to give us a call at 888-860-2535 or email us at support@cloudbiometry.com.